Well, hello everyone. It's Mindy. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. I hope you stick around and check out some playlists and see what other kinds of goodies I got going on. And if you're returning, well, welcome back. You know, it's great to see you guys, and thank you for supporting my channel and enjoying what I do. So today I have some stuff to show you from FGNORMAL, and I'm excited to get into it and show them to you because I got some cute things here. All right, got a few paintings and I got a stand-up piece, and let's just get right to it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Thank you, FGNORMAL, for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. Whoops, there goes the drills. I wondered where they were. They got stuck to the bottom of the box. And of course I will have these linked below so that you can find them quickly and easily. So 'tis the season. Ho, ho, ho. I'm all about the jolly, happy season and the winter season and all the stuff that goes with it. And look at her. Is she not adorable? She is so stinking cute. Look at her, those big blue eyes. Oh my gosh, she looks super cute and innocent, doesn't she? But she is like a motorcycle mama. So look out, man. She might be coming to a town near you, and who knows, she might have some packages in her basket for you. She's super cute. I love all these snowflakes and stuff like that. I just thought it was adorable. There's a whole series of girls, like these cute little girls in winter scenes. And I was like, ah, which one do I pick? So I picked her. There's others, though. There's others. When you go looking, just know there are other varieties. So we have, let's see, 7, 8, 9 different types of drills. Looks like possibly 3 of them are special drills. I mean, we shall see. I have some A's here and here. Here's some B's making these flowers. C's making the center of that snowflake, and then the flowers in the basket. So, I mean, I don't know how her flowers are alive in all this cold weather, but, you know, she's got some pretty good skills, I guess. All right, let's see what we got. It's going to be pretty. I know that. It's going to be pretty. So we have some clear rhinestones, some gold, some brown. Oh, yeah, the basket. And I think the motorcycle might be brown, too. A pretty blue, a little bit of green, and black. Oh, we got black tires for sure. All right, here's the fun parts. Here's some blue pearls, some iridescent faceted clear marquise, and blue faceted marquise. I don't think they're iridescent. They're just blue. But how cute. How cute is that? I love it. All right. Just love it. Like I said, lots of cute girls doing winter things. Just, okay. When you go look, you'll see them. All right. Next. What do we have next? We have this cutie. Because, you know, I love me a good gingerbread man, gingerbread house, all of that stuff. Been a love of mine for many years. How cute is she, right? Look at all of her candy. Oh, those are special drills. These are special drills. Look at her. She's got a candy cane. She's got some berries, because, you know, you got to have holly. You got to have holly in your hair, right? Anyhow, super cute. I love it, love it, love it. I mean, what else can I say about it? There are only 6 different types of drills for this one. And look, this came just like this. No bag, just like this. Okay. All right. So what do we have? We have clear, red, and green rhinestones. And here's our gingerbread color. That's a gingerbread color, brown. And then we have white little teardrops and red faceted rounds. That's what we got, folks. Cute. So the teardrops go in these, and the rounds go here. The red rounds go there. More teardrops in here. Oh, and these are the red round, or the red, the teardrops. Sorry, teardrops. Yeah. Anyhow, super cute. I love it. Super, super cute. All right. Last painting. One more painting. And again, my drills came just like this. No bag. Normally they're in a little bag, but not today. Look at this one. Look at it. I mean, how cute is that? It's a kitty fly. A cat fly. It's a cat butterfly. It's a flutter cat. What do you want to call it? Flutter cat. I like that one. It's a flutter cat. She's adorable. So stinking cute. And all of the pretty, like, holiday decor. We got balls. We've got bows. There's butterflies, too. I mean, you know, we got it all going on here. I think it's adorable. Don't you love her? She's so cute. Or him, her, whatever it is. Let's see. We have 11 different types of drills, and clearly from 6 all the way down is special drills. Wow. Yeah, we got A, C, D, E, F, and H. Wow. Here's some H's. Here's some F's. There's A. There's D. Oh, it's got tons of special drills. Now I'm excited. Now I'm super excited. What kind of special drills do we get with this? I love it. So stinking cute. Oh, my goodness. So here's our rhinestones, clear and red. Some regular black drills. Some gold. Some green. That is it for the rhinestones, folks. That's it. Okay? Rest is special drills. And these are beautiful. Iridescent green faceted marquees. Love those. Some blue faceted rounds. Red faceted rounds. Gold faceted marquees. I don't think those have an iridescent coating, but these sure do. They are red, but they have an iridescent coating. I love them. And then we have some little crystal-y marquee. Love it. Love, love, love this one. I want to squeeze this one in my December plans. That's what I want to do. Squeeze that one in. All right. Last thing. Comes in a box. Comes in a box. And let's get it out because we've got to see it. So here we go. All right. You can see Happy Holidays, right? I know you can. All right. Is that it? Yeah, we got a toolkit in here. I haven't shown you a toolkit because I normally just toss them out, but there's one in the box. And our foam to protect our piece. Love it. Okay, here is our platform. Make sure you take the film off both sides of that. Here's our drills. Oh, these are in a baggie this time. And here is our little guy. Oh, he's so cute. So stinking cute, you guys. I love that. Love it. I mean, this is blue Christmas all day long. Have a blue Christmas, right? He's got his hot chocolate, standing by the signpost saying Happy Holidays. He looks cold, doesn't he? We got like icicles dripping off. He's got icicles dripping off his hat. You guys, he's cold. He needs more hot chocolate. More hot chocolate. More hot chocolate. He's cold. Anyhow, isn't he cute? He's so stinking cute. I love him so much. If only I could get all of these things done. Wouldn't that be amazing? All right, let's look at our drills. Oh, they're going to be pretty too. Lots of blue, I'm guessing. All right, clear rhinestones, blue rhinestones, green. Okay, that was unexpected. I did not expect there to be any green in here. And red. Whoa, what? And yellow. And like a gray. Really? Where's their green? Now I'm curious. Green's the number 3. Where's the 3s? Okay. All right. Around this little blue poinsettia here, we got leaves. Oh, we got some over here too. Yep. Okay. That makes sense. Greenery around the sign. I gotcha. Okay. I was worried for a second. I'm like, do I have the wrong drills? Please, no. Okay, we got gold, round, faceted, some pretty blue marquee, faceted, some pretty blue pearls, and some white iridescent clear, faceted, round drills. Love it. Love, love, love it. All right, like I said, all of these will be listed below in the description box. So you can have your cute little gnome drinking his hot chocolate because he is freezing cold out there. You can tell he's freezing cold. Or we have our little springy looking kind of catfly, flutter cat, kitty, butter kitty. I don't know what she is. Then we have our cute little gingerbread girl. She's a girl. And this cute little girl. What a fun assortment of things this was, right? Don't you just love it? Let me zoom you out. Don't you love it? Which one do you like the best? I always like to know what you guys like. And if I was going to pick one thing from this collection to do, what should I do? What should I do? I don't know. I'm so confused. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate you being here and the things you do, like when you hit the like button, subscribe to be, notified of videos coming on my channel. I appreciate that. It helps things grow, helps YouTube, find me and push my videos out to you. So I appreciate all of it so much. All right. I got to get going. I got things to do. I will see all of you soon. Bye, you guys.